lost track of time.
That was it, too sharp.
No, they got there's a finale. There's a grand finale.
They're going to do a double lot. I guess that was it.
Well, I got some.
It seems like it was Joe more than that. The hell, we didn't go out and have to go see it and decide. And we didn't have to do a crowd, but we guys that people love.
Yeah, that might be somebody setting them off in the yard.
Is that tax or tax? Hey, Papa! Happy fucking New Year! Woohoo! I'm Stevie Nicks!